What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. If you are not subscribed, make sure you go hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. We've got lots of new 2020 Hot Wheels news to go over for you today, so let's get right into it. It looks like we're getting some new 2020 Hot Wheels 3-packs, and this one includes the very popular Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. This one should be in stores right now. The 1952 Chevy pickup is coming in a new color in this rustic design with Mighty Max Garage posted on the side of it, and as you can see right here, it is already seen in package on blister pack, which means it should be in a case upcoming very soon. I've previously shown the Dodge Power Wagon Zamac edition in a blister pack, but now we get some nice close-up pictures of it out of the blister pack. This one will appear in the 2020 Hot Wheels Zamac line. It looks like we're getting a new variation of the BMW M3 E46. You can see right here in this unpainted format with black wheels. I was really a big fan of this casting previously. It's nice to see it come back. We're not sure exactly which colors it's going to be released in, but stay tuned, we'll have some more news on it coming soon. Another casting that is coming out as a new redesign is the Vector W8. This casting was originally released as a Boulevard series, but it's getting re-released in a new design. I really liked Vectors back in the day, so I'm really looking forward to this new casting. Are you liking this week's edition of Hot Wheels News? Let me know by hitting that like button. The Audi Sport Quattro is being released as a premium model in a Car Culture Thrill Climber set. You may remember that recently it was also released as a super treasure hunt for 2020. This casting is super nice and super premium. I'm really looking forward to collecting this Thrill Climber set. Stay tuned for more cars that are going to be released in this set. A new up-and-coming RLC car was just announced. It is the 1969 Dodge Charger RT Resto mod. Check out the details that you can see on the engine bay. This car is really a homage to the car culture of resto modding, which has become very popular around the world recently. I recently talked about the up-and-coming Ford Mustang Boss 302, but check out these new close-up pictures of it. I'm just loving the detail on the hood of it, and the lowered widened stance of it make it look fantastic. It's definitely a resto mod type of Mustang. I'm really looking forward to collecting it. This week's Hot Wheels deal of the week is this Hot Wheels 100 Years of Chevy 8-car set. As you can see, we've got a lot of different Chevy pickup models, all in specialized colors just specifically for this set. If you want to pick up this special set in this week's Hot Wheels deal of the week, check out the first link in the description box below. During this whole quarantine time, I've spent a lot of time surfing on eBay for Hot Wheels, and I found this really interesting find. Check out this Hot Wheels 50th anniversary HW50 that was given out in 2018 at SEMA to the finalist of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour winners. This particular release was limited to 75 models, and this one is number 49. Each car was released with a laser-etched velvet-lined wood box and Lexan case with the car screwed into the case at the bottom. Each car also was customized with the winner's name on the bottom of the actual car. With such a rare and customized piece, why would the owner be selling this one? Well, in his auction, he does state that he's not a collector of Hot Wheels and has no kids, and it would just sit around his house and collect dust, so he decided to part with it. But what's the asking price? $6,999 or best offer. Do you think it's worth that actual value? Well, all it takes is one buyer to pay that asking amount, and that's what it's worth. We'll have to keep an eye on this auction and see if it actually sells. Last year, T-Hunted teased us with an April Fool's prank of a McLaren F1 GTR coming as a super treasure hunt. Well, we all know that ended up being just a joke for April Fools, and this year they decided to try it again. They showed this Team Transport Porsche Golf set with a Porsche 917K and a Eurohauler. Although this was a great looking custom model, and perhaps we'll see a real release of it from Hot Wheels in the future. Let me know in the comments down below if you were fooled by this April Fool's prank. You are now up to date in this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. Make sure you go check out this week's deal of the week, and don't forget to hit that like button. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.